Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to slow zoom in CapCut. Slow zooming made video editing easy CapCut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just go ahead and launch the CapCut onto your device. Right after you have opened that, it's time to go ahead and import in here the image that you want to go ahead and add a slow zoom. So you could do this one for videos as well. Now to import the files that you want to add onto your timeline here, you'll just have to click onto this import button, or you could go ahead and simply drag and drop the photo or video that you want to use. So you could go ahead and simply drag and drop the files in here, and it should go ahead and upload it here under the import portion. So right after, once we've gone ahead and added it in here, we could go ahead and click onto the plus icon in here to add this track onto the timeline, or you could do the same thing by dragging and dropping it in here. So as you can see, it has been added already here onto our timeline just like that. Now, to go ahead and add in a slow zoom onto this photo in here, what we need to do, we'll have to click onto this one, onto the file that we just recently added. Right after you've gone ahead and click onto this one in here, you should be able to see this panel here onto the right side. So under video, we have here basic, and under basic, we have transform. So this is where we'll go ahead and perform a slow zoom. So what we need to do first is to add in a keyframe onto the original scale of the photo here. So here onto the side of scale, we have this diamond icon. Click onto that. And then right after, we're going to go ahead and move this one out onto the part when we should want to stop the zoom. So for example here, so the slow zoom will actually depend onto the duration of the keyframe that we'll add in here. So for example, onto this part. So we're going to add a keyframe as well in here, or we could go ahead and automatically adjust the scale here to make this bigger. So we're going to click onto this one first, and then we're going to go ahead and make the scale bigger here. So for example, just like that, we'll put it here onto the face, make it a little bigger. And right after, once you're done, you should go ahead and look something like this. So we're going to position this first. And once it is played, this is how your video should look like. So you could adjust this keyframe in here up until here onto the last part so that it should go ahead and create a slow zoom effect onto your editing in here. And that is just how you could create a slow zoom in CapCut, easy CapCut tutorial. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.